Hello, this is your Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Christmas Eve 2020. What you'll see in this presentation is that we will continue to have some widespread single-digit overnight lows and possible patchy freezing fog tonight for the lower elevation, more heavily populated areas and the alpine valleys in the central Idaho mountains. Expect a cold but calm and dry Christmas Day across the state, and then on Christmas night low pressure moves in. Once again, it's bringing about a ½ inch to 2 inches in the Snake River Plain and 1 to 4 inches in the mountains and highlands once we get into not just Saturday evening but into Sunday morning. So here's the current satellite image. Most of the storm track, this is all riding across the top of a ridge of high pressure which is over the Great Basin and California. So really this is what will be sweeping through our area, and it is the southern tail end that will be passing through Idaho on the day after Christmas. So this is the overview starting starting Friday evening with increasing chances as we get beyond midnight of places in the western part of the area we forecast for. So the Southern Hills, Wood River Valley, Sawtooth, and the west or northwest end of Lehigh County all should be getting a chance or slight chance of some snow. It would be light, and then snow for sure in places like the Snake Plain, the Southern Hills, the Highlands, looking pretty good, and then light snow with some actual afternoon rain because it will be getting warm enough in the Magic Valley. And on Sunday there's just some residual stuff in the morning, and most of that will be in the southeast and eastern highlands, so along the Wyoming border. The rest of it's just a slight chance, and some of it's just a slight chance limited to higher elevations. And then Monday morning, maybe a slight chance once again in the South Hills, the Southeast Highlands, but that is from another low that is moving in from the south for Monday. So here's the high temperatures for today. You can see it does get above freezing for the eastern Magic Valley primarily. And then another cold single-digit weather, 0 at the INL, 0 at Steele, 14 below 0 in Fairfield. Continue that warming trend for Friday, Christmas Day. And then with the cloud cover moving in, much more mild conditions on Friday night, Christmas night, or Saturday morning. And you can see the mild temperatures here on Saturday with the incoming storm, and that's why we do expect some rain here in the afternoon in the eastern Magic Valley, and possibly even up here into Pocatello now. And low temperatures for Sunday morning, again, we still have lots of cloud cover, so fairly mild overnight lows. And then Sunday, not as warm, with the cold air moving in behind it. Monday morning, see, we're back to closer to normal for this time of year, with some below 0 temperatures in the central Idaho mountains especially. Here's what the snow is going to do Friday evening. And again, this pale blue is less than an inch. And you can see it's pretty limited to the Sawtooth Mountains and Galena Summit area. For the late night on Friday, you can see it does increase a little bit now. We got an additional 1 to 2. And it does start to spread eastward and finally into the, at least there's a chance of it moving into the Snake River Plain. And Saturday, pretty sure, is when we're going to see the most, and most of that Saturday morning, and again, probably change a little bit over into rain for Saturday afternoon. And here's the storm total all the way out to Sunday afternoon. So again, most of this is Saturday and Saturday night, and you can see it does get to 3 to 4 inches in Driggs, really high elevations, 4 to 6. Same thing over here, just on our extreme western border in the central Idaho mountains. Wind speeds, you can see today they're going to be out of the northeast and east, with the strongest winds down here in the eastern Magic Valley. Friday, again, east and northeast, weakening a little bit. And here on Saturday it does pick up, and it actually shifts to west and southwest for most of the southern Snake River Plain and all of the eastern Magic Valley. And you can see the ridges, it's also picking up. And then on Sunday, a little bit northerly wind, especially in our western areas, and sort of a west wind out here, but for the most part being fairly light. So once again, just some patchy freezing fog tonight with some single-digit overnight lows. Again, cold, clear, and calm on Christmas Day. And then Christmas night, storm moving in. Not a very big storm, but it will lay down some light snow. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.